Hello traders and welcome to our new video analysis. It's Monday, April 19th, and this is your update for cable and Aussie. So last time when we covered cable was actually in this free analysis where we were highlighting that market is trading to the downside. We actually posted a lot of free content when we were looking for a dip down here on cable towards 1.36 level to complete a higher degree complex correction. So recently we have seen some very nice moves to the upside on cable, so I thought that this could be a very important price action when we look forward for the next week or so. What we see is actually pound is looking quite strong, and probably due to removed lockdown, so economic metrics could pick up. So on those speculations, of course, investors, traders are looking to buy cable. Now I'm seeing here a lot of interesting developments which actually suggest that we may see more upside. Now firstly, let's go to this daily time frame chart, and you can see that price is actually bouncing after it retraced back towards this nice trendline support. We have also seen the 38.2%, which is typical and very common for fourth waves when you have an extended wave free like here. So it's very important that this trend line and this 38.2% actually caused a bounce. So this is very important price level from where we have seen a response to the upside. So actually, because market bounced from here, I will continue to look for more gains on cable, since I'm looking for higher prices into wave 5. Now, why I think that wave 5 could actually already be underway is because if you look closely here at this drop from February highs, you can actually see that drop was overlapping. So in my opinion, this looks like a correction. Of course, there are several different ways how to label this correction, but in either case, I think that this is a counter trend movement. And recently we have seen a very nice and decisive break out of this downward channel here that I connected for 1.4 level. And not only that, we have seen also a move above this channel here, which is called a base channel. So this is actually much better shown here on the 1 hour time frame. So what I did here is I connect the starting point of wave 1 and put this parallel trend line at the top of wave 1, and whenever you see a very strong breakout with accelerating price action, well, this gives you an idea that this is probably wave 3 in progress of a 5-wave structure. So it's an impulsive personality, and impulses are made by 5 waves, and that's why I think that more upside can be seen, because we do not see 5 waves up yet. So wave 3 here ideally is moving into 161.8% of wave 1, but it's even better for bulls when you have the price action that will actually move beyond that Fibonacci levels. So what we are seeing is a move towards 261.8%. So I'm quite confident that this, yes, can be a wave 3, but the question is, if I want to be long, will I be looking to buy here? Well, if I miss the entries here at the start of a wave 3, then definitely this is not a good spot to buy, at least not for the short-term trades. So in my case, I will look and observe this upcoming price action. I hope that we see some kind of a pullback here for a wave 4, since I think that this could be a very nice entry then on the long side. At the same time, I will observe this price action also here on the 4-hour chart. The previous swing highs here at 39.20 could act as a support. Of course, if we see our retracement from near-term levels, or if we see a decisive break above 1.4, then this could be a support. So we'll see where this wave 3 will end, but as I said, wave 4 will be the one to watch whenever it unfolds. Also, what we are seeing is that the 10-year US notes are turning to the upside. They are breaking out of this downward channel. So this consolidation that we are seeing right now is definitely helping major currencies to see more upside versus the US dollar. So the US dollar is coming to the downside, and at this stage I also want to keep an eye on Aussie dollar. If you look at the Aussie, we also covered this one in our free posts. We said that we are tracking and observing this consolidation here on copper, and looks like this consolidation now can be coming to an end. There can be some pullbacks, of course, but eventually we will see more upside, and more upside here could drive Aussie even higher. We are seeing Aussie here breaking out of this. Let me make this a little bit bolder. We see this price moving out of this bullish flag, so looks like that more upside here could be in the cards. So even here I would observe the pullback, but after intraday pullbacks, but after slightly more upside, to make sure that we are here in wave 3 on a smaller time frame charts. Traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and talk to you next time. Bye.